You probably know how to insert a column or a row. You simply right-click on the certain column or row, and you will have option to insert one column on the left or right. But it's going to be a really slow process if you need multiple columns or rows. So there's a handy trick. If you, for example, need exactly 3 columns, you can try to select 3 columns first, and then when you right-click, you will see option to insert 3 column on the right. So the selection matters. More you select, more you'll be able to insert in just one click. So it's very handy, especially for rows. If I need 10 more rows here, I select 10 rows, right click, and now I got option to add 10 above or below very quickly. So we don't need to add them one by one. You can also refer to insert section at the top when you can insert rows and columns from here instead of right clicking. Keep in mind, by default it's just one, but more you select, more you will have option to add from the insert tab as well. Here it is, 10 more rows above. That's how you can insert multiple columns and rows in just one click. I hope this short tip was helpful. See you in the next video.